Hey YouTube, this is my 2011 Stolen Center bike check. It's matte red and it's power coated. It weighs 24/7. The top tube is 20.75. And let's get started. I got the Stolen Revolver back rim, Stolen Tioga tires, Stolen stock hub. Everybody says it's bad, but you just gotta take care of your back rim. 9-tooth in the back, KMZ chain, 25 teeth sprocket, 3-piece cranks, Stolen Thermalite pedals. They're really good. I love them. Best pedals I've ever had. Stolen Thermalite seat post combo, Stolen choker seat post clamp. It's pivotal. It's a pivot right there. Stolen. Love that seat. The 2011 Stolen Center frame. I got the big boy bars. They're 8.25 rise. Let's see if I can get this focus right here. I don't know. It says 8.25 rise, 2 up, and 28.5 right wide. ODI grips. Best grips in the world. Cut off this thing though, cause it got annoying cause I grip right here. Stolen Vortex bar ends. I don't know if you can see Vortex, but it's in there. I got the Stolen convict stem. It's right there, convict stem. Stolen headset. Stolen cyclone forks with the Stolen Revolver rim and again in the front. Stolen Tioga tires. And I'm gonna show you the hub sound right now. I love this bike, by the way. Alright, ready? If I could get this. Alright. That's my bike check.